So my name is Elisha.
Voice projection?
Okay. My name is Elisha. I'm a proud student at Eden University. And I'm doing ICT. So right now I'm working on a project. As you can see that these components they're not arranged properly because I'm still working on a project. I'm building what we call an AI-based machine that can assist an individual who wants to get to know a certain place. For example, if you want to know Eden, what it does, it assists you, it gives you a guideline, right? It gives you the 3D view of what the place looks like. Like when you go by the gate, it will be like a humanoid machine that will be able to assist you, that will be able to carry you the activities around the premise. Let's say, for example, if you want to go to the computer lab like this one, what it does, it shows you the 3D vision, the 3D view of going to the computer lab and what it looks like, right? And let's say you have some certain information that you didn't get because there are a lot of people out there. Maybe what it does, it can explain to you exactly the right information that is that you are looking for. So at the end of the day, this machine will also have an LCD. But for now, I'm still using this one. Why? Because I'm still trying to get the view of the analog. How am I supposed to get this thing done in terms of before we get to the 3D view, before we get to the colored view, we start by coding using this one so that we know what we're dealing with, we know what we're working with. Since for now I'm still using what we call the Arduino Uno. This Arduino Uno is a microchip controller that enables me to program information into this and make them output through the LCD. But with the time, we're going to use the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is the most microchip controller for the modern generation, which will enable us to program using Python and other languages necessary, and yeah, pretty much something like that. That's it. Oh yeah, but apparently, as a student, I'm working on my own microchip controller. As you can see, I'm still working on it because I haven't got other resources. But once I got other resources, I want to try to build something simplified, something that we can able to, let's say for example, I want to create a project where someone is able to detect a heartbeat through a necklace. So once I'm done with this one, I'll be able to know how to come up with the smallest or tiniest microchip controller so that I can be able to work on that project. Because also buying stuff from other people, I feel like it's quite expensive. So I decided that I can also make my own microchip controllers as well. As you can see that here we have a lot of sensors. Like this one, it's a water temperature. You can check temperature for the water using this one. Yeah, there are just a lot in there, and yeah, we're still getting more with the support of the school. You see, the school is providing with these things. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Elisha. Anyone with a question for Elisha?
I have a question.
Sure.
Yeah, so you said the AI will be able to like give a view of how, like, let's say for example you want to go to library, right? To be able to like give a person a view of how it looks. So like how are you going to be able to do that? Are you going to like capture everything with a drone or something?
Oh, so I'm not going to come up with a drone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to program.
You want to program?
Yes, I'm going to use Python for programming artificial intelligence, which is the most important, which is the language that is basically used for artificial intelligence. So what it does, it's a program, since it's an artificial intelligence, right? And this school does have Wi-Fi. So this machine will be connected to the Wi-Fi. Everything that the school is updating, that machine will also update itself because it's an AI. And it's also a humanoid machine but with a screen on the chest, right? So when you ask it a question, it will be able to respond to you. Let's say you don't really understand, then the screen will show you the 3D view on how you're going to walk from the gate to the library. So it's not like it's going to use a drone so that you see the place or something. No, it's just you have to know the direction that, oh, the machine showed me this place, exactly this place looks like this, so I have to walk and like this and stuff like that.
So what's your duration for the project? For how long do
In
you
as
expect
much
to be
as I'm
working on the
concerned,
project?
yeah, in as much as I'm concerned, right now I need like a 3D printer so that I print out the prototype of what it looks like, and also to implement these resources on that prototype so that it can be able to be seen working. So as soon as I got the 3D printer, that's the sooner I will make it. But for the program and everything, I'm almost done. Yeah.
I can see that you have a number of things here, and they all have different names. Okay, approximately, how much have these things costed you?
So for me personally,
And what's your motivation
okay.
to have been willing to spend?
Okay, so personally for me, I didn't technically buy these things. I used to go for science fairs in Zimbabwe. So the first science fair, I got this one because I was the second at science fair. The second one, I was the first. Some of the components I didn't bring them, but most of these things I didn't buy them as an individual. I owned them when I was going for science fair and yeah, something like that. But if a person wants to buy, let's say, a startup kit, we call these ones early engineering kits. So if you want to buy yourself an early engineering kit, it depends also with the type. Like for example, like I said, this one is an Arduino Uno. This one is also an Arduino Uno, but it's an Arduino Uno Plus, meaning to say it's way advanced from this one. So this one, it goes for $17 by itself.
So
And then
$20 you're
US.
supporting how much to the
That's
question?
supposed to be but maybe somewhere around 500, 600. Then this one might go up to, like, let's say, 1,000 or 2 watch. Yeah. And then also Raspberry Pis. These ones are the most expensive one. This one can go up to 2.5, 2.6, somewhere there. Depend also on the version. And also these ones, they come with the RAM. Because these ones are more like mini computers as well. Like I have a project I programmed the computer using these Raspberry Pis. It's only that I didn't bring the components here, but if I would have bring the components, I would have showed you how it works. Because I was trying to make life easier for students. Because during those days, I didn't have a laptop, but I wanted to have a laptop. So I had to design my own laptop in the sense that I can also be able to compete with other people with laptops. Because laptops are quite expensive. This one was going for like 1.8, and I couldn't afford it because I wanted a super fast machine. So I had to design my first machine using a Raspberry Pi. Yeah.
Okay. Aisha, we'll have more time with you, and we'll keep checking on your progress. Otherwise, this is so inspiring. We want to see what thing you design at the end of the day, and we understand, we believe, and we have the confidence in you that you'll be able to do it. Okay. We'll see you in for more. Thank you so much for your time.
And actually, if people want to see some of the projects I did, I'll share with some of the websites. Like for example, if you go on a website called the Sightings, it's from United States of America. I did projects with them. I did also projects with Meetings International, like the Board of Science, Meetings International. And I also did science. I did also exhibitions with NASA, Universe, actually a lot of projects I did. Yeah, some I got the certificates as well. Yeah, so.
No, we'll talk more. Otherwise, I'm sure they must be inspired. Agree? Thank you so much.